Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. I am from Helping Mind. Today I will talk about 4 different reset settings on our Android phone. Number 1, reset settings. Number 2, reset network settings. Number 3, factory data reset. And number 4, auto restart. See the full video to know details about how to reset. Keep watching. At first I have to go to my phone settings. I tap on settings and I will scroll down. Now I will tap on general management. Here we can see reset. I will tap on reset and we can see reset settings. I will tap on reset settings and we can see the instructions of reset settings. Your phone will be reset to its default setting except the security language and account settings and others. If I will tap on reset settings, it will be resetted on default settings. Now I will go back and we can see reset network settings. I tap on reset network settings. This will restart all network settings including those phones. We can select SIM 1 and SIM 2, then tap on reset settings. All connection will be reset. The connection cannot be undone. We can see network setting reset. Now I will go back to the reset settings, factory data reset. I tap on it and we can see the whole data will be erased from your phone including your Google account, settings, music, pictures and so many other things. Now I will tap on reset. All your personal information and download apps will be erased and cannot be recovered. If I will tap on delete all, it will be deleted all factory data reset. Now I will tap on auto restart. By auto restarting we can reset our phone. I will tap on auto restart and we can see restart your phone automatically once a week. Your phone will restart within 1 hour of the time you set. Any unsaved data will be lost when your phone restarts. We can see the other instructions. Now I have to tap on toggle to another auto restart. Now I will tap on toggle and we can select set time. We have select a time and tap on day. We can also select a day from the list. I select a day and it will be auto restart when the day is scheduled. Thus we can reset our phone in this way. So viewers, so this video will help you to reset your phone. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.